Attaching a diffuser to a run of duct is fast, easy, and accurate with InteliCAD's Tap and Go and Tap, Pipe, and Flex tools. For flexible-only hookups, select our Tap and Go tool. Select the tap location on your run of duct. Then, select your diffuser. InteliCAD automatically selects your flexible diameter and the appropriate tap based on your diffuser size and your customized job settings. For jobs with flexible limits, our Tap, Pipe, and Flex tool automatically draws the appropriate round pipe, elbows, and flexible just as quickly and easily. Select the Tap, Pipe, and Flex tool. Select your tap location. Then select your diffuser. The Tap, Pipe, and Flex tool automatically selects the appropriate tap, runs round pipe, determines the exact elbow, and attaches the right amount of flexible to your diffuser, all based on your job specs. Let's see that again with a different size diffuser. Fast, easy, accurate. Are you ready to work with tools again, instead of toys? InteliCAD. We draw real duct for the real world.